Hello learners, hope everyone is doing great job. So today we are going to learn some new topics in C language. As usual, this is Dr. P. Sedupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. The topic we are going to discuss today will be Goto statement in C programming language. So agenda for today's discussion will be like the Goto keyword, syntax of Goto statement or keyword, limitations on using Goto statements, problems with Goto statement and example program, and multiple Goto statements and exercise for the learners. So Goto keyword or Goto statement in C programming is a control flow statement, simply like break statement, and the Goto statement allows you to jump to a specific point in the program segment identified by a label. It is generally considered a low-level feature in the C programming and is often discouraged because it can make code harder to read and understand for the programmers and as well reusers. However, it can be useful in certain situations such as breaking out of deeply nested loops or handling error during the testing conditions. Syntax of Goto statement. Here there is a Goto label and there are segment of coding and there is a label colon statement. If you use the segment label, you must give label, you must refer the label name in some other places, then only it can link. The label is an identifier. When the Goto statement is encountered, the control of the program jumps to the label and start executing the code from that label. Here is limitations on using Goto statement. The Goto keyword should generally be avoided as it can make programs unreliable or unreadable and difficult to debug sometimes. While it might seem like an easy solution in complex situations, there is almost always a more elegant and logical way to achieve the same result using other control structures like if, for, while and switch statements and so on. Problems with Goto statements. Basically, the use of Goto can obscure the flow of control in a program, making it difficult to understand and how the program reached a certain point in the code. This obscurity can lead to bugs that are hard to trace and fix. Here is an example for Goto statements. If the condition goals less than or equal to 5 is satisfied, then Goto statement transfers control to label SOS. From the program segment, you can observe that there is a Goto statement with SOS label inside if segment. If the if condition segment is true, the Goto SOS line of code will be executed when the control passes the segment label to the SOS label, which is the print to error is human code will be executed. I think you understand how Goto statement works from this simple example. The label can be placed on the same line or a separate line from the statement that follows it. You are not supposed to give the labels before the Goto statements. So multiple Goto statements here. So basically there are certain limitations or differentiations for the Goto statements. Multiple Goto statements can transfer control to the same label. So there you also can use exit functions. The exit function is used to terminate the program, preventing any statements after the else block from executing. So here is a situation or genuine reason why and where you can use go to. Mainly, the only situation where go to might be justified is when you need to exit from deeply nested loops. Here is another one example program for your kind exercise. I would like to go some brief. Here in this example, there is 3 variables declared with I, j and k as integer, and there are 3 for loops. One for loop with I variable, another for loop with j variable, another for loop with k variable. And there is a test condition. I3 and j value is 3 and k value is 3. If all the variable values becomes equal, then if condition will become true, then goto statement will be executed, the control comes out of the loop. Otherwise, else part will be executed. Users, you can try the same segment of code without using goto statement. This is exercise for yourself. I hope you will do and give us comments. Thank you so much for your patience listening. I would like to see you with another topic once again. Thank you all, my dears.